Hey, it's us.
We're drunk. Welcome to the first episode of this thing we call
Drunk
Coaster Reviews.
The game is simple. Consume significant amounts of alcohol and then talk about roller coasters.
Yes.
Yes.
God, you're gross.
The first coaster we're going to talk about today is a ride that they call Mr. Freeze.
Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast.
I need to drink more alcohol.
This Mr. Freeze, it's a thing.
It's a thing.
This Mr. Freeze is built by those beautiful bastards over at Premier Rides. It's tall. Dude, I don't care how tall it is. It's tall enough. But it's probably like 200 feet or something. Who cares? The GP love this thing because it's big and it's blue, just like my nuts.
So the cue for this bad boy is a weird one. First time I rode it, it felt like I was walking into an abandoned warehouse park. Or a Bork.
What is it supposed to say? You wrote Bork in the script.
Broke some rules like a moron. You go into a building.
It's like a snow cone factory. We think. It might be a snow cone factory. We don't know. It's cold. It's fans. There's some AC. Theming. Where does it come from? Six Flags theming.
When we went, they only had one side open, so I don't know what the other side opens. Words. Dual loading station. So you're on the platform. There's 10 rows. Choose one. Back, front, front, back, whatever. It's the side that leaves the station first. That's the good one. Not the front, back.
Imagine having your forces in the front like a fucking idiot.
The horses in the back.
Ride experience. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice about Mr. Freeze is how the entire station moves. Like, this shit is wild, fam. The whole track moves. You bored, right? It's designed to use two trains, Mr. Freeze. Two train ops. Transfer platform. Like Powder Keg at Silver Dollar City.
Which is also an SNS.
Which is also an SNS.
Wait, this is a premiere.
This is an LIM launch.
Lim. You know, asking Six Flags to run both sides is like asking my dad to come home from leaving to get cigarettes 15 years ago. It's not going to happen unless it's really busy. That doesn't make any sense.
The gates open. You step in. Your standard Premier trains, right? If you've ridden Backlot Stunt Coaster or Flight of Fear, it's the same shit, all right? They have small bins, so you can't bring your bags.
The bins that they do have on the ride platform are like super small, little like plastic things you can buy at Target, and they're literally zip tied to the fucking like metal fence. Like, not even joking. It's cheap but effective, kind of like what I've been drinking all night.
All right, so after the transfer track moves to the launch track, you just sit there, right?
First thing you noticed was how all the pneumatic brakes like unclasp one by one. So you hear like 5 hisses. It's like, yes, precisely. And then you hear the countdown, and then you hear the electricity like whir into those electric motors, and boom, you're gone.
All right, and let me tell you, that backward launch slaps. Like, it throws you forward in your seats, and you are just out of there. Like, you are gone, my man. And let me say that launch track is pretty damn long.
So then you go through the very long launch track, and you enter the top hat. And the first thing you notice when you come to the top hat is there's some positives. And it's an inverted top hat. Like, how cool is that? You know?
Yeah. It's really cool.
Yeah.
And you also pull strong positives at the bottom of the top hat.
Yeah.
At the beginning and at the end of the top hat.
And then you fly into this really intense overbank. I mean, there's not a moment on this ride that's like not intense. Every single part of this ride is like, it's just good. So as you come out of the overbank, you get some really strong positives entering that vertical spike. And as my father said when I showed him what we were riding this past Friday, it was humans were not meant to be perpendicular to the earth.
Dude, and let me tell you, these LIMs, so you reach the parabolic height of your speed, right? And then, wrong, fucker, you're not going down. These LIMs yeet you up into the stratosphere. Dude, it's like a dive coaster, but better.
Yes.
You have lap
lap
bars. And it's not a B&M, so it has forces. Controversial opinions.
And you guess what? Guess what time it is? It's more strong positives time.
More positive G's.
And then you enter the God tier overbank, but this time you're forwards. And then you enter the top hat. And this time you're forwards.
Also forwards, but also positive G's going into that top hat. And your body just goes everywhere.
Exactly. And guess what? There's more strong positives when you leave the top hat.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Very good positives. And then you hit a very long brake run.
And then you skirt into the brakes, and that is the end of the ride. Short,
Yes.
but sweet.
All right, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to keep checking back for more videos. I love you all. You guys
Goodbye.
are beautiful. Good night,
Goodbye.
fuckers.
Goodbye.